So yung distance formula natin, that's the square root x sub 2 minus x sub 1 naka-squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 then naka-squared. Distance formula tayo lang kayo. Magkaalala ko. So syempre, graph natin muna para malaman natin kung saan nakalagay. So muna tayo number 1. So let's say we have mga kambing. We have negative 4 then 1 and 3 negative 4. Hindi. So find the distance between 2 points. Walang kung saan to, pero nasa practical din to eh. So yung formula guys, that's it. So let's graph it first. So we have Cartesian negative 4 1 4 1 3 negative 4. Okay, so we have the Cartesian origin, then 1, then negative 2, then 3, then 1 2 3 positive, this one, then negative sa left ng x-axis, tapos sa bottom ng y-axis. We already know that. So we have negative 4 1, so let's say negative 4, so sa left yon, start the left. So from the origin we have 1 2 3 4, then 1 unit upward because we have positive sa variable ng y. So the graph will be here, or the point, while the other point will become 3 negative 4. So 1 2 3, then negative 4 downward, 1 2 3 4, this will become the other point. So remember, this is the negative 4 1, while this one is 3 negative 4. Then if we connect those two lines, 2 point, wala akong ruler eh, ang mahiwagang ruler, wala nang ano eh. Anyways, pag kinonect natin yan guys, ito yan, ginawang line, basta ganyan yan. Ito na yung kinuha natin guys, distance na itong dalawa. So how are we going to find that? So using distance formulas, because wala akong lang ID, nag-aaral eh. Doon, yung ako tumayo. Anyways, just copy the formula. So we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared, then plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 then squared. So which is which? So this will become x sub 1, then y sub 1, then x sub 2, y sub 2. Remember guys, if you place x sub 1, the other order, the y will become y sub 1. So it can be interchanged. If you place here x sub 1, y sub 1 ito, then the other will become x sub 2, y sub 2. Anyways, you will get the same answer. So we have copy the radical sign, then our x sub 2 is 3 minus our x sub 1, that is negative 4. So we have negative here, or that's the negatives, the subtraction sign, but our x sub 1 is negative 4, so we need to place negative 4 here. Then remember, we have square, then plus we have y sub 2, which is negative 4, then minus our y sub 1, which is 1. So from here we square it, then simplify. So we'll be having 3 minus negative 4. So remember, if you have same sign or magkatabing sign, hindi magkatabi, basta magkatabi, near sign, near science, naging science. So we have 3, then negative times negative is positive, then we have 4 here, then square, then plus. So we have negative 4 minus 1. So remember, negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So we'll be having negative 5, then square. So from here we have 3 plus 4, that is 7, then we have square, then negative 5 square is 25 square root, then 7 square is 49 plus 25 square root, then 49 plus 25, that is 74. 74 square root. So you need to find the LCD, the simplified form of this. So are you going to find that? So you can use prime factorization, or find the perfect square from the factor. So using prime factorization, so if the number is divisible by 2, the number is divisible by 2 if the last number of the given number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 4 here, so we can divide it by 2. So 7 divided 2, that is 3. And 14 divided 2, that is 7. So wala. So this will become the answer.